Hello and welcome to another update video about ETH. Yeah, ETH, like Bitcoin, seems to be getting on well with its wave 4 down there that we talked about yesterday. We put resistance onto the chart. That's still at 1663. And we are still watching if this wave 4 is continuing or not. It certainly fulfilled the minimum requirements. I wanted to see a healthy wave 4. This seems to be one. You could also say the wave 3 was here. The wave 4 was here, the wave 5 was here, which is how you would count it if you just do visually Elliott Waves. But I don't like to do it just visually. You always need to use the Fibonacci levels as well. And it has to have the right look. And I mean, surely I cannot rule out that this is a 5-wave move down complete. In this case, we would have 5 waves down. I just don't find them reliable. Just based on experience, just how shallow that wave 4 is. That wave 3 wasn't great. From that point of view, I'd like to see this actually make at least one more low in a wave 5, and I count this here as the wave 4, as explained already in the last few videos. Resistance for this wave 4 is 1663. It seems to be following our forecast. There's going to be a slow weekend, typical wave 4 weekend, and as long as it's below 1663, I focus on one more low. Ideal resistance level for a 4th wave is 1649, in this case, the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level. This is going to be a very, very strong resistance. First of all, let's go to the 30-minute chart. First of all, it is where the previous swing high was, which would be probably some kind of a lower degree 4th wave. It's the 38.2 Fib level, the ideal retracement for a 4th wave. And if we add the volume profile to the chart, VRVP, let's pick the VRVP. It shows you this is the point of control. So that is always the point where, or the price at which most volume was traded. So it gives you quite a good idea that this is a lot of resistance there. So what happened before price broke below it, retested, where it previously oscillated around that level. Most recent here, that's quite interesting actually. It was before that level all the time, then started to oscillate, and now it's below it. Okay, so it's sort of losing that upside, and that just is short-term bearish in my opinion. Of course, only as long as that 1650 level is holding, basically below that level, right? But even if price breaks above 1650, the key is 1663 is the relevant Fibonacci resistance of wave 4. I cannot really count it as a wave 4 anymore if the price gets above it. If the price gets above that level, well, I would consider, as I said last time, a high B wave primarily. High B wave just means that the B wave that we consider as finished here, never finished, and it's just extending in an even larger 3-wave structure, A wave, B wave, C wave. Possible because the move down is considered only a 3-wave move. And then it could reach higher in an extended B wave in green, and we will also have key resistance up there. I mean, I'm not sure if it's going to go up that high, but again, just look at the structures there, and up there around 1850, there is significant resistance. So I think today we need to be watching for end of the week volatility. Sunday again, I think last Sunday we didn't have much, but oftentimes, at least on Sunday, we start to see some movement late on Sunday. And it would be preferred to make another low. Next micro support is 1591 and 1576. And the expectations would be for price to make another low below the 1576 level. And the next Fib level, which is relevant, is 1536, the next main Fibonacci level. So there is not much more to add. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.